Once you've logged into your course in Blackboard, you will notice purple tabs on the left that you will be using throughout this term. The first tab is Start Here. The Start Here tab gives you resources that you will need to learn about the requirements necessary when participating in your live feed, which you'll be using either Blackboard Collaborate or Blackboard Ultra. It also includes the best practices for mobile devices, which will allow you to understand what device works best and what can and can't not be accessed on your mobile device. You may also have an icebreaker here where your instructor wants to meet you and allow you to meet your peers and them to meet you. If you see one of these, it's just a discussion board that you can access and participate in. The next tab is your Welcome tab. The Welcome tab gives you a brief description of the course as well as a video that is from your instructor. Your Syllabus tab attaches your syllabi to this course, and you can either refer to it here, you may download it onto your device, or you may print it. Next, we have the live chat session. The live chat session is what you will be accessing to join in the weekly chats. Time and day may vary based on your course. Under the Announcements tab, you will find any announcements that your instructor directly sent to your course or any school-wide announcements. If an instructor sends an announcement to you, you will receive it by email as well. If you would like to ask the instructor a question and would like to open it up to the rest of the class as well, you would want to do so under this tab, Ask the Instructor. If you access this tab, it allows you to create a discussion board and a thread that your instructor can comment on as well as your classmates. The next area are the learning modules. We only see one here, and that is because the rest of the weeks are hidden. If you have an instructor that hides weeks, you will only see each week as they go. Some instructors prefer to have them all open, so this may vary depending on the course. Once you select your week, you will be receiving an overview of what to expect that week. You'll see your date next to the week, and as I mentioned, the overview will be as follows. There will be an introduction. If you have readings, those will be here, as well as any videos, assignments, and discussions. Okay? If you have any files that your instructor would like you to download, as in this case, that would also be here. In order to access your lectures, you would just select the lecture, and when you're prompted, you would just launch the course and your video would come right up. Again, make sure you are using Firefox to play your lectures. You will notice if you're in Chrome, the lectures will not play all the way through. Moving down, we have your assignments. You would just click on your assignments, and depending on your instructor's directions, you would either upload them or through your computer, or you could write a submission. The discussion board is where your instructor will start a thread, whether it be asking a question or just giving you some information. Maybe it might be a problem. And then you will need to create a thread and ask the instructor how many students you need to respond to, as well as what you need to respond. And also you can access your live chat in your week as well as up here in the tab. Next, you have your Check Your Grade. Anytime a grade is posted, you will see it here under Check Grade. You will also see what's upcoming. Any amount of point will be underneath, and what you've received will be on top. The next tab is Sending Email. You may choose to send emails to all users who are in this course, groups, students. If you want to just email your instructor, you may do so here as well. And lastly is Blackboard Help. This will take you to Blackboard's site where you can get assistance. You may also contact our school Blackboard tech support help at CLU's Help Desk. Have a wonderful term.